To connect a SoundPeats Air 4 Pro into the iPhone or iPad, first of all, you will have to start from inputting both earbuds inside this charging case, and you will have to click and hold this button for 3 seconds. Remember to open this case. This indicator will start blinking with this white, so keep holding, and now you can just release. Then on your iPhone you will have to open the settings, go for the Bluetooth, turn it on, and from other devices list you will have to select the SoundPeats Air 4 Pro. But as you can see, it doesn't appear here, so we can try to do this one more time with this pairing request. There we go, now select them. And as you can see, we are connected. You can also go for App Store and you can connect them into the Peats audio application. So you will have to download it, then open. Now click to enter application, click to agree and continue, and you will have to input your data. So if you don't have a SoundPeats account, you will have to register by clicking here. But if you have account, like in my case, you will have to just open this pool and input your data. There we go. And now I'm gonna input the password, but out of the camera for sure. And once you finish, you will have to click to login, click to allow, and we have to click to add device, then click to proceed with pairing. Okay, it looks like we are disconnected, so let's try to connect them one more time. Maybe we have to take them out of this case. Okay, as you can see right now, we are connected. So now when we go back into the application, device is found, and it actually keeps connecting. We have to select the color of our case, so in my case I'm using the transparent, and as you can see, we are successfully connected. And that's how it looks. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.